Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I have 4 different dinner ideas. So first, I am prepping some produce for meal number 1, which is a simple tuna fish salad. I really like raw garlic in my salad sometimes. I don't know if that's weird, but for the tuna fish mixture, I put in some raw garlic and onion, a couple pickles. I didn't have a lot of pickles, and so to make up for that, I put in a couple drops of dill essential oil, and that was so good. It's such a good hack. 2 cans of tuna fish. And then another kind of happy mistake, I didn't have a lot of mayo, so I added some mayo and cottage cheese, and I really liked the taste of that. These sunflower seeds, hands down, absolutely made this salad. It was such a good, crunchy texture. The next dish is an egg hash that I've honestly been making every single week. We're trying to get lots of fun egg dishes in because we have backyard chickens and I love them so much, so I thought I would include some footage. I first cook up a bunch of bacon. I don't use it all in this dish, but I put some of it back in and I use the bacon fat to cook everything else. I remove the cooked bacon and then add my veggies, first the ones that take a little bit longer to cook. So today I have sweet potato diced and some onion, and later I'll be adding some shaved Brussels sprouts. This is making me hungry. I add in some of the reserved cooked bacon, and then I crack my eggs. I believe I did 6. So this is what I do. I preheat my oven to 350. I crack the eggs right over the top of everything. This is a 1-pot meal. My favorite kind of meals, less cleanup. And I let them set for just a little bit, and then I pop the whole thing into the oven until the eggs are cooked to our liking. For us, it's usually about 10 minutes. We like them pretty runny. Next, my husband and I created a meal together. We have a big green egg and he loves it. I love it too. I like to grill as well, but he was in charge of the grill this night and we had 2 beautiful ribeyes. I had about half of one. They were pretty big. And then that little tinfoil on the side, I love wrapping a whole head of garlic cut in half and grilling that. You can see it in the upper right hand corner there. I also made a simple salad and roasted sweet potatoes, and this was such a fun, collaborative, easy meal, but kind of fancy and really good. The last meal started in the garden. I did this little story on Instagram of me getting some chives. I'd love to have you follow me at takecaremamayt. Now this day I was craving an open face avocado scrambled egg sandwich. We'll go with that title. I made a quick guacamole first with avocado, again, raw garlic and onion, and I didn't have any lime, so I used some lime essential oil. And I love just a simple guac like this. I spread this on 2 pieces of toasted sourdough. Phil was golfing tonight. James doesn't like stuff like this, so this was a delicious meal for one. I scrambled up, what do you guys think? I don't remember if this was 1 or 2 eggs. I can't really tell. But I scrambled up 1 or 2 eggs and put that on top of the guac. And then I just built it. So we have Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, and the chives. And as those sunflower seeds made meal number 1, a drizzle of olive oil made this meal. It was so good. I ate it with a fork and knife, and oh my gosh. Let me know if you try any of these. Let me know if you enjoyed this by giving it a thumbs up. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.